Take a ride in the 2019 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, cruise control, trip odometer, power brakes, compass, clock, fog lights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.